This is a short video describing a master's project that I'm looking for a student to work on with me. So this particular project is a data-driven transfer student support analysis. So the bottom line question is, what makes an impact for transfer students' success at Cal Poly and then more widely at 4U universities? My name is Liz Thompson. I'm also working with a team of faculty and staff from across the university and actually at Allen Hancock and Cuesta community colleges too. So this is part of a broader project that we're working on. So it's a funded project by NSF where we are giving support to students at both Allen Hancock and Cuesta College, and then if they transfer to Cal Poly, they're also getting support at Cal Poly. So the way it looks is that we have two cohorts of students, one that started in 2019 and one that started in 2020 at both Hancock and Cuesta. Those cohorts are staying there 2 years, and then they're transferring to Cal Poly. So there's about 100 students total, 25 in each of the 4 cohorts that are now at the community colleges. And then we're hoping that at least 75 of those students will transfer to Cal Poly and stay at Cal Poly for 2 or 3 years to finish their degrees. So it's a pretty big project. We're giving them, the students also get through the NSF supported grant, they get financial support, and then also other support like mentoring with faculty at Cal Poly and at the community colleges, access to extracurricular activities at both places, strengths training, which is sort of a reorientation about what is it that you're good at and how to amplify those things that you're good at, and then also cohort building so that the students become a cohort as they travel through their community college experience and then on to Cal Poly. So we're looking at things about what exactly, how do we know what makes a difference for transfer students? So we know that there's mentoring, extracurricular, strengths training, cohort-based, academic preparedness, sense of belonging. There's also comparison groups, so engaged students and non-engaged students. We are trying to create what's called a matching cohort. And we're also looking at those students at Cal Poly who are transfer students and those who are freshmen. We also have data related to Allen Hancock College and Cuesta College. So this whole project is actually taking all of this data and putting it into a data warehouse. We've already started that data warehouse, so it's mostly about trying to maneuver the data warehouse and then also extract data in order to ask some questions about what does make a difference for transfer students. So we're not completely well defined yet on what exactly are research questions, except for the big one, that what makes a difference for students. But right now we have about 500,000 pieces of data in that data warehouse, and we're trying to build it over time. So there's some other things we are thinking of exploring, and we'd like somebody to join the team to help us do this kind of exploration. So particular reasons why you would want to work on this project: that you'll be able to develop data management and data analysis tools, working in a data warehouse that is drawing data from all kinds of different locations and helping to do analysis with that data. You'll work with a thoughtful group of faculty and staff at all 3 institutions. So there's people I'm working with: Dr. Jane Lair, Dr. Fred DePiro, Jeff Jones at Cuesta, and Dom DeMello at Allen Hancock. There's also a whole bunch of staff people that are on this team. You can participate in the wider, it's called Engage grant if you want, or you can just do this one data analysis part. We also hope to have an impact on the policies and processes related to Stanford students, as transfer students at Cal Poly. And also there is going to be an opportunity to publish a paper or 2 on this data analysis subject. So let me know if this is something that sounds of interest to you.